I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make paper bon puppet, easy method. Gather 2 sheets of colored paper, scissors, glue, and a marker to begin. Start by folding 1 sheet into a concertina for the body, then cut a rounded head from the second sheet and attach with glue. Add arms, decorative creases, and draw a friendly face. Adjust the size to fit your hand for easy puppeteering and try different colors for playful results. To make neat folds, use a bone folder or the back of a butter knife for crisp edges. Measure and cut with short, careful snips to maintain symmetry. For a sturdy puppet, layer 2 concertina bodies glued together and reinforce the head with a small paper disc. Use a dab of glue at each joint and let it dry flat before moving. Practice makes faster results and brighter decorations easily. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy hands-free music while crafting, check the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear sound and compact style. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really helps the channel. I use the speaker to set timers and play upbeat tunes during puppet assembly, which makes steps feel faster and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with size by changing sheet dimensions to create tiny or jumbo puppets. Add movable arms with brads or thread loops for simple articulation. Decorate using markers, washi tape, or glued paper scraps for personality and texture. Try 1/4 of the puppet in glitter accents for a festive look, but use sparingly to avoid heaviness. Record a short show to test movement and refine creases and balance. Invite friends to join for group performances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.